Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Links. In this tutorial I will show you how you can use OMIC software. This is very easy method. Well, if you use this software your voice will be so much clear. You can hear my voice. I am using this from my mobile. I am recording this actually. You can also do this. You don't need extra microphone, or you don't need to buy a microphone, not at all. You just use your phone, mobile phone, Android phone, for recording your voice, very clear voice. So let's start. First, download and install. Go to your Play Store and search for OMIC. You can see this is the icon, and this is the name OMIC. No need to write OMIC client setup, just write OMIC, WOMIC mic, and this is the icon you will found. Install this app in your Android, then see the description. I have already downloaded this software. You can see my description. I gave you there this software link. Go there and download this. Then see these two software you need to download: OMIC client for Windows, OMIC device driver for Windows. These two softwares you need to download. I have already downloaded these two. Now I am going to install this. First, need to OMIC driver setup. Right button, run as administrator. Then click yes. See, my Windows 10 64-bit automatically detected. Okay, you don't need to do anything. This software will do everything. Click install. Completed. Now close. Now right button, OMIC client setup. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Now click OK. Click next. Then next, just click install button. This is very easy. It's done. Now click finish. Well, I am requesting you, if you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button, do like, comment and share for more videos. Now I will open this software OMIC client. Type here to search. I will click here and write WO. See, OMIC client here, apps already installed. Right button, click run as administrator. Now click yes. You all know how to download from the Play Store. That's why I'm not going to show you. What I showed you is from PC. How can you use this? Now see here, connection. Click connection. Now click connect. How you're going to use Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi detect. I will select Wi-Fi. Now see phone IP address here. What is your phone IP address? If you install this app, there you can see this IP address, or watch the video from the side. You can see where you can find the IP address. Okay, now click connect. Just click connect. That's all. I'm not going to connect because I am already talking with you. I'm making this video, so this will make problem. Just click connect. Show here you can edit the IP address. If I 0, okay, it's fine. Now click connect. Then this will connect. That's it. No need to do, just connect. You can see they're connected. Disconnected, you can see they're connected. Okay, that's it. It's very simple method. Hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.